Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Zelle account, helping to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or can be found in your profile section. Step 3. Locate security options. In the settings menu, look for the security options or privacy settings. This section will contain various security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or email. Step 5. Verify your method. After enabling the feature, follow the prompts to verify your chosen method. You will receive a code that you need to enter in the app to confirm that two-factor authentication is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Zelle account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to receive authentication codes without issues.